If you need to change your payment method on Netflix, maybe you got a new card or you'd want to switch to PayPal, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, open a web browser and go to netflix.com and sign into your account. Once you've signed in, hover over the profile icon at the top and the drop down arrow should reveal account and go and click account. Now, if we click down to quick links here, ignore the first option, we go to the second one, manage payment method, and we're going to click that. So we are now on the manage payment method page. There's the option for update. You can also change payment method. We're going to click that. Oh, that took a bit to load there. You have three options. You've got credit or debit card. You've got mobile, pay by mobile, and PayPal. And you've got redeem gift and promotional code. So we click on debit credit card. You can update the card, expiry date, name on card, and 3 digits, all the normal stuff. And you can click back and you can click the mobile option and you can, this is from the UK, so it's the mobile providers in the UK, and you add your number and verify by phone. Click back and we're going to go with PayPal. Do that. We have to link our PayPal account to Netflix. Click back, and a final option, which is an option that maybe not many people will use, redeem gift or promotional code. You would enter the promotional code there and redeem it. You can also buy gift cards as well. Changing your payment method does not cancel your subscription, and it won't affect your plan, profiles, or watch history. And that's how to change your payment method on Netflix. If this video helped, feel free to like it and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.